Hey everybody, welcome back. Let's talk about how to find a mentor. I want you to be sure to watch till the very end because I'm going to give you a step-by-step process you can use to ask someone to be your mentor, including email and DM templates to use. So does that sound good? Okay, I thought so. Okay, so today we're going to explore a critical aspect of your professional journey, finding a mentor. Now, this isn't only about climbing the corporate ladder, it's about making your journey easier by leveraging the wisdom and the guidance from someone who's already been there and already done that. Whether you're just starting off or finding yourself at a crossroads in your creative career, a mentor can be your compass. But hey, if you think you want to go it alone and make all the mistakes there are to make solo and figure it out by trial and error, then more power to you. Just stop the video and go for it. Okay, so you still here? All right, let's get to it. The importance of having a mentor. Let's dive into why having a mentor is a crucial step towards success. Imagine trying to drive around an unfamiliar city without a map. Okay, now think about driving around that city with a map. A map that tells you where all the potholes are, where the speed traps are, where the streets with gridlocked traffic are, and the ones where the lights are all timed green in your favor. That's what a mentor provides in the landscape of your career. Mentors are the embodiment of experience, offering insights that help you learn faster and make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. The knowledge they provide you is a blend of theory and hard-earned practical wisdom, giving you the edge in an increasingly competitive field. But it's not only about professional growth, it's also about personal development, finding joy in your work and cultivating a sense of fulfillment that comes from achieving your goals and not having to go it all alone. Now let's take a glimpse into history. History has always underscored the value of mentorship, especially in creative fields. Back in the Renaissance, apprentices learned their craft from masters. Today, while the formal education of a BFA or an MFA programs offer foundational knowledge, they often lack the real-world insights that only a mentor can provide. This bridge between the theoretical and the practical realms is where mentorship becomes invaluable. Now let's talk about the goals and the benefits of mentorship. At the most basic level, the goal of having a mentor is to augment your chances of success, but it's also about having a confidant, a coach, and sometimes a lifelong friend. A mentor's experience acts as a beacon guiding you through the complexities of your industry. They provide shortcuts to success, not by cutting corners, but by showing you pathways you may not have even known existed, or may not have considered. The mentor's network also becomes invaluable to you as a resource, opening doors and providing opportunities that might otherwise remain out of reach. And there's no way for you to access a network like a mentor's network on your own. That comes with years and years of experience. The emotional support and encouragement and recognition a mentor offers can be just as crucial as the professional advice that they give you. Next, let's talk about finding and choosing your mentor. Identifying and connecting with the right mentor is a journey in and of itself. It's about finding someone whose career trajectory inspires you, whose success you admire, and whose working and communication styles align with your own. But where do you start? Well, your industry network can be a goldmine. Colleagues, industry connections, platforms like LinkedIn are great starting points. Attending professional events, joining organizations specific to your industry, or being active in online communities can lead you to potential mentors. The key is to build up a relationship based on genuine interest and mutual respect. Engage with their work, contribute thoughtfully to their discussions. Always look for ways to bring value to the table to them. Now, in a few minutes, I'm going to give you a step-by-step process to use to ask someone to be your mentor. But first, let's talk about being found by a mentor. Sometimes a mentor might actually find you. It could be a boss who sees potential in you, or a senior colleague impressed by your dedication. But for that to happen, you have to be deserving of it. So in your job, always show up with an eagerness to learn and grow. And don't shy away from expressing your aspirations. These signals can attract potential mentors who may be looking to pass on their legacy to someone who's driven and deserving. Now remember, you may not know it, but studies have shown that over 70% of your chances of success in your career lie on how visible you are to upper management. You'd think most of your success will relate to the quality of work that you do. But that, sadly, isn't exactly true, as frustrating as that may seem. So having a mentor will help a hell of a lot in getting you that visibility so you can be noticed by the higher-ups. Now, I want to talk about an alternative approach, mastermind groups. Another powerful avenue for mentorship is through mastermind groups. These groups bring together individuals with a diverse set of complementary skills and experiences. And in a mastermind group, you gain multiple perspectives. You share challenges, celebrate successes, and you hold each other accountable to your goals. And in many cases, these groups are headed by an individual who acts as a group mentor and offers group coaching. My mastermind community for creative professionals, called BONFIRE, is structured that way. Members get access to me as a mentor and also dozens of other members who are committed and ambitious just like they are. This kind of collaborative environment fosters a unique form of mentorship where each member learns from the others, creating a collective pool of wisdom and resources. And if you want to learn more about BONFIRE, just go to philipvandusen.com/BONFIRE and check it out. Okay, now let's get into the step-by-step. How to ask someone to be your mentor. Now, as I promised you at the beginning of the video, we're going to get into the nitty-gritty. So, how do you ask someone to be your mentor? There is tact and strategy that come into play with this. Sure, you can just DM your first senior level connection on LinkedIn and say, hey, thanks for accepting my connection request. Will you be my mentor? Well, that is exactly the wrong way to go about it, and it will burn that connection faster forever. Believe me. It's essential to approach this part of the process with thoughtfulness and respect for the potential mentor's time and their experience. And here are some steps and actual scripts to guide you through that process. Step number 1, make initial contact. Start by establishing a social media connection. Engage with their work, comment on their posts, or share insights in a discussion. This is the initial interaction, and it should be about genuine appreciation and interest. Remember, as corny as it sounds, a little flattery actually works. Here's a sample script you can use in a comment. Hi, blank. I've been following your work for some time now, and I really admire how you, and then mention something specific about their achievement or the quality of them that you admire. And this post on the topic gave me some great insights on something that I've been thinking a lot about, and I always appreciate the depth and knowledge that you share. Simple as that. Step number 2 is request a brief meeting. Now, after 10 plus comments on posts, and remember, space them out a little bit, don't do just 10 comments in a single day. After these initial interactions, your mentor target will start to recognize your name and your avatar, and this will help when you send them that first DM or email. When you do send them that first DM, you want to ask for a short, very short, meeting. This could be a brief phone call or a video chat. Keep it concise and focused. And here's a sample script. Hi, blank. I've learned a lot about your insights and perspectives and have been following you here for a long time. And if you're available, I'd really love the opportunity to chat with you for 15 minutes. I'm really keen to learn more about your journey and get your quick point of view on, and then mention some specific area that you need help with. Would you be open to a really brief conversation or meeting at your convenience? And then if you can, give them a scheduling link, like a Calendly link or something similar to that. And the goal of it is to make it super easy for them to schedule time with you. Step number 3, the meeting. During the meeting, ask them about their career journey first. Listen to them closely. When the time comes, express how much you admire about their career and show that you've done your homework. Then share just a little bit about your goals, your challenges, and how serious you are about your growth. Don't ask them to be a mentor on this call. You want it to be easy and a fun conversation for both sides. You don't want them to feel cornered by an ask the very first time that you meet them. They might resent it. You'll have to feel that out for yourself. Step number 4 is the ask. After several additional social media interactions, comments, and sharing articles or links with them that you genuinely think will be valuable to them via email or a DM, you've established enough rapport and shown your genuine interest. Now it's time to ask them to be your mentor, and be clear about why you've chosen them and what you're hoping to gain from the mentorship. Here's an example script. Hi, blank. I wanted to let you know that I admire how you've, and then list 1 or 2 of their accomplishments. And at this point in my career, I believe that your guidance would really be invaluable. Would you ever consider being my mentor? I'm looking for guidance on, and then mention a couple things you're looking for help with. And I think your insights would be incredibly helpful. I understand this is a commitment, so please take your time and think about it. Step number 5, express gratitude and follow up. Regardless of their response, express your gratitude for their time and their insights, and then if they agree to mentor you, discuss the next steps and how you both prefer to communicate and meet. Remember, finding a mentor is a process that requires patience and persistence. You may have to go through this process multiple times with multiple people. Don't be discouraged if the first few don't work out. Respect their decision if they're unable to commit, and keep building your network. The right mentor-mentee relationship will emerge when you least expect it. Whether through a traditional one-on-one mentorship or through a mastermind community like BONFIRE, the right guidance can catapult your career and your personal growth. Now remember, a mentor doesn't just guide you. They inspire and challenge you to explore your full potential. They smooth the road ahead of you. So take that step, reach out, and let the journey of mentorship enrich your professional career. I hope this video inspired you to think more about leveraging the power of having a mentor, and if it did, I want you to hit that subscribe button and bang that notifications bell for more insights like this. And again, if you want to learn more about BONFIRE, my membership mastermind community where you can receive mentorship from me, go to philipvandusen.com/bonfire to learn more about it. And so, thanks again for watching. Keep pushing your boundaries, stay inspired, and I'll see you next time.